Hi, this is Jonathan from Entry Systems, Garage Doors and Gates, serving Orange County since 1972. And one of the common questions that we get is regarding the battery backup law that came out in July 2019. So we're here located in California, and in 2019, it became a law that anytime you replace your garage door, it has to connect to a battery backup garage door opener. Or if you replace your garage door opener, it has to be a battery backup garage door opener. And so this is an interesting subject that only us in California deal with currently. But basically, it has to do with the fires that were in Ventura County a handful of years back, and it became a law. So it's called SB 969, and I already explained why. It's basically what the conditions are, but it's $1,000 fine per garage door opener that is left installed. Or so if we buy something out of state and put it in since 2019, that would be against the law. Or if you're getting a new door, you do have to update the garage door opener if it's not battery backup capable and has a battery. One question that we get pretty often is, how do I know when that battery's bad or when it's died? And it does beep like a smoke alarm. So you'll hear a beeping sound that comes from your garage door opener. A lot of the garage door openers with batteries will actually have an alert on the wall console where it'll say battery replacement is needed. And so there will be a beep sound, kind of like a fire alarm, fire sprinkler, sorry. And you could temporarily disconnect that if it's like in the middle of the night. You just use a Phillips head screwdriver. It's in a little compartment, and there's just a little wire that you disconnect. It's protected. It's not dangerous or anything like that, and that'll make the beeping stop. And then the next day or so you can get a new battery. But that is the battery backup law that came out in July 2019, and that's just some information about it we wanted to share with you. Thanks so much.